Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to be showing you how to use the contact form widget to add a contact form to your website. So once you've decided which page you'd like the contact form to appear on, you can go to the first section in the page designer and click the Add Widget button. The contact form will be under Contact and Social Sharing. Once you click there, a new window will appear. In the top field you can enter your email, and this is the email address that you'd like to receive all the inquiries from your contact form on your website. There are also fields for them to enter their name, email, subject and message. If you'd like to add a new field with some different options, click the Add New Field button. This title field will appear here, and for example a text field might be the location of their wedding. There is also the option of the date field. The date field could be the date of their shoot or the date of their wedding. The drop-down list and the single selection are a similar option, but the drop-down list looks like this list here. With the single selection and drop-down list, they can only select one option from the list of options that you give them. I'm going to show you the single and multiple selections options to show you the difference between those two. So with the single selection option, you would offer a question with only one possible answer. For example, the number of guests they're going to have at their reception. So say 10 to 50 there and 50 to 100 there. You can rearrange these options by clicking the arrows and dragging them above the other option, or you can delete an option with the red X. You can also add more options with the Add Option button below. I'm also going to add a multiple selections option. With the multiple selections option, the person filling out the form can select more than one option to a particular question. So for example, if they were interested in multiple services, you could add photography, videography, and the option of a second shooter. Then you would click Save and Preview here. So in the top section there you can see the number of guests option, and they can only select one of those. Under Services, they can select all or a combination of the answers depending on which services they would like. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.